Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick Novotny, and I'm going to be bringing you another how to fold a pocket square video. And if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe, and don't forget to check out my full playlist of pocket square folding videos. Hey, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the single point doubled with two squares. Your single point, take each of your pocket squares, you're going to fold them twice so that you make it a smaller square, so a rectangle first and then a square, so you're basically making a smaller square, and then turn so the edge with no openings, the folded edge will be on top. So again with the yellow one, fold it into a rectangle, and then again, and I'm going to spin that around. Your blue one, this is going to be your background edge in your pocket square, and then lay your yellow pocket square on top of that, so we have two triangles coming into your pocket square.